Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Today is card day and I am doing a mini slimline card. And if you saw my card last week, you saw this bundle that I'm using again because I absolutely love this bundle. It is called the Elephant Parade. And this is the bundle here. This is the Elephant Parade, and I did a W fold card. I'll show you that in a minute, and I'll link it somewhere in the description, but these are part of the dies that I'm using for this. I already pulled out the other dies that we are using. We're going to cut some grass. So this is the card. We are going to cut some grass, and we are going to cut some leaves and our elephants. I already cut out and colored all of these. I'm going to show you how I colored the leaves in case you want to see how I did that. And the balloons and the elephant I already colored in the last one. So that's why I'll link this in the video so that you can go back and see how I colored it if you're interested in how I colored these. So this is the W fold card I made last week. So it opens like that. It was a really cute and really fun one to do. I love these W fold cards. They're really fun. But this is a mini slimline because it is called Elephant Parade. So I wanted to make them in a little parade. And it is a birthday card. I just used the What a Happy Day there. And the sentiment I used was the wishing you the happiest of birthdays, which is from the Charming Sentiments. And I used this on my Sunday project. So you can go and check that one out too. I'll also link that somewhere here in the video. Alright, so the envelopes I'm using for this, I'm not going to make any envelopes. I'm just going to use Stampin' Up! Carries the Slimline envelopes now. So these are our Slimline envelopes. So they come in various different colors. I am using the white one for this one. And this will fit. It's a mini, but it will fit in this as well. And then you don't have to make an envelope for it. And I did put one of the leaves in the inside of this. All right, so for this card, what you are going to need for it is a piece of basic white. I always use the thick for my cards. So this is 7 inches by 6. You are going to score it on the 7-inch side at 3.5 to get your mini slimline card. I'm using a piece of soft suede. This is just for the bottom of the card here. I did cut it 3/4 by 6, but I am going to trim it to make it look like a little hill kind of. And then for the sentiment, I am going to use a piece that's 1/2 by 1 3/4. And we are going to use our parakeet party and our blending brush for the background of this one. All right, so first thing, let me go ahead and cut this, and I'll just show you how I cut it. I just cut it like a little bit of a hill to make it kind of look like a little hill. So I am just going to cut it and make it a little bit smaller, kind of like that. You don't have to be particular in this. It's just to make, I wanted a little bit of a background for it. So let's grab our parakeet party. And we are going to use our blending brush with this. I love these blending brushes. And I always start off there, and I'm just going to go around the edges and kind of leave the center part just the basic white. These brushes make it so much easier. The bristles are so fine on it. It just makes it really easy to work with. So we're just going to use some of that on the outside of the card just to give it a little bit of kind of the jungle look, I guess, is what I'm going for here. I think I'm going to just darken some a little bit on the edges here. All right, I love the parakeet party. As you can see, it's one of my favorite. So I did stamp and color all of these. So I did the elephant, And these are the leaves, the balloon. And those all come in the same bundle. So here are the leaves that I colored. And I don't know if I'm going to use all these leaves, but we will see when we get there. And then I did cut some little grass. Like I told you, this is our evening evergreen. And I just did that with the grass. And then we have 3 little elephants right here. And like I said, I did color those in the other video. You can check that other video out. Now I didn't color any leaves in that one, so I'm going to just show you how I colored the leaves really quickly. And what I used for that is the light and dark parakeet party, and I also used some dark soft succulent because I wanted variation in this to give it a realistic kind of look. So I'm going to just use the light to go over the whole thing here. So I'm just colored totally the light parakeet party, and then we're going to kind of shade it with this soft succulent, and I'm just going to go kind of along the leaves here. Just kind of down the center of those and along the side here because I want to show some separation in the leaves. So I'll bring that a little closer because I'm not sure you can see that. So it's just going to look like that. And then I'm going to take the dark parakeet party and we're just going to blend this centerpiece. I want to keep the edges the light. So I'm just going to blend like the centers of these. Like that. And that's all that's to it. So this is what they look like, and they all are different, a little bit different because, you know, when you color, everything is a little bit different. What I'm going to do here is I am just going to add adhesive. I'm going to use some of my glue here. We are going to add this piece on, and I'm just going to put it right now at the very bottom so I could tuck these leaves and grass underneath it. So I'm going to just leave it like that. We're going to glue it down here. And then I have that little edge that I can just like stick them under, and then we'll glue those down. So we're going to just start layering. I'm not going to glue them down yet. I'm just going to put them down to where I think I might like them. And I want some of the grass sticking up. And we'll just keep putting some grass and some green, and you're just going to have to play with it to see exactly where you want it to go and how many leaves you want. I did put quite a few of the leaves in here because I just love the look of them. They're so cute. And I'm staggering them a little bit. I'm going to put some on this side too. And we'll see where we go from here. Now I'm sticking the grass so it sticks out from above there. Just so it's like peeking out, and it gives it kind of that jungle look there. Let's put some more down here. And I think we'll put a little bit more grass, like maybe here. And then let's see, then I'm just going to place my elephants on and see if it's, I think I like it. You can always stick more in the background if you want. So I'm going to just go with that, and I am just going to take my glue and I'm going to start putting these on. All right, that's all I'm going to do with that. It just gives it that little kind of jungle feel. And then we are popping up with dimensionals all of our little elephants here. I love this set, y'all. This set is such an adorable bundle. And we are just going to start putting them on. And you want to leave enough because we're going to put balloons there. So you want to leave enough room for their balloons. Of course, we have to make them in a parade because they are elephants. They're just so darn cute. Alright, and then we're going to put a dimensional, and I'm only putting it on the balloons in the center here. And I'm just going to stick it right underneath their nose like that. This is really an easy card. Y'all don't think it's very difficult. It's so easy to do. And it's so adorable. And then I'm going to grab my piece to stamp, and I'm going to use some Memento Black. And we're going to put What a Happy Day, because it's just so happy and it's so cute. And I am going to make this a little bit thinner. I just cut it that size for the purpose of giving me extra room to stamp. And we're just going to glue that down here. And I'm going to stamp the sentiment as well because I will be using these cards. And I do have one extra leaf, so I guess I'll use that on the inside like I did on the other one. Wishing you the happiest of birthdays. And then we'll just glue this one on. Just like that. You can even decorate your envelope and stamp the outside. But look at how adorable these elephants are. Isn't that fun? I really love these elephants and these cards. I'm not going to get sick of this bundle. I'm telling you, it's just so darn cute. All right, everybody, this is my May Hostess code. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Have a blessed day, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.